Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Reef and today we're going to be looking at the new skip intro feature that Plex added in the latest version. They've already issued a patch that was causing crashes. So if you're on version 1.19 or higher, you should be good to go. To get to this feature, we have to turn on two things. First, go into your dashboard or your server settings and click on library. And then you want to scroll down and you're going to see generate intro video markers. And I have this set to as a scheduled task and when media is added. So it looks at when I add new files and just periodically on the server, it'll keep updating the stuff. But you can change it to never or just do it on a regular timed basis and not when you add new media. So make sure you pick that and then come down to manage. And you want to go to libraries here. And under TV shows, you want to go to edit. And then you want to go to advanced. And then you're going to see here enable intro detection, and this will only work for intros that are over 20 seconds and not after 10 minutes into the show. So some dramas have like their intros way deep into the show. You won't get that intro skip then, but for normal things like cartoons or whatever, you will get the intro detection and you will be able to skip over it. So click save changes. And that is it. That is how you enable intro detection. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.